Alright, what's up guys? So I'm currently heading to this destination right now. I don't know if you guys remember, but I said that there's gonna be an exciting thing. So yeah, today's the day is the announcing of something amazing that happened in this channel and with me and with the brand and all that. Super exciting thing happening today. As the title says, I got a garage! Yes, I can't believe it. Alright, as the title said, I got a garage. And two new members of my channel. It's Danny and Matt. But besides the point, it's been my dream to have a garage with friends to work on cars. These two for coming through, and then you know, hopefully we can make some content together. And Danny here, he offered us to use this space to create content or do cool stuff with cars. So yeah, really happy with it, really super excited. But with that being said, today's video we are going to be basically doing a little makeover so that, you know, at least one car can fit in here. So that's the plan.
That thing happened, alright? Which one? That thing, that pane right there, that happened.
It's so rusty.
It's rusty because, you know what? Okay, here's the story.
Alright, well, so
To get
I
started,
think everyone's probably wondering what is this Subi parked behind right now. So
oh, that's a financial mistake and a half right there.
maybe do a little
A little walk around?
walk through on your car. What car is this?
Oh, this right here be that new 2020 Toyota TRD Special 4x4 Subaru Mitsubishi Evo Suzuki 2015 Subaru WRX. It is stock motor. She has the stock turbo, but she does have the NVIDIA J-pipe, Tome full exhaust. She's on Fortunato coilovers and work VSXs. Other than that, I had a wing, I had a diffuser, but I recently sold those because I want to convert to carbon fiber truck, and I just feel like the wing, like even though it is a show car, it is a stance car, she's not fast. The wing just, I don't know, I just didn't like the wing on a stance car. I liked it in the beginning, but that was when I had stock wheels, but you know, who likes a wing on stock wheels? No one. That's gross. Don't do that. Don't ever do that. I have a few accessories for the interior, such as my likewise shift knob. I have the Akatsuki fabric for my shift boot, my e-brake boot, stickers, and that honestly covers it. That's the entire car. Not been cleaned for. I still have your HKS exhaust too in the shed.
And then we also have my.
Well, it's also really hard to get rid of auto waste in Hawaii because not a lot of dumps or places take automotive waste such as like parts and stuff. So it's really difficult to get rid of those unless you know.
We'll just do it off cam. You know what I mean?
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
We'll get rid of
Shut
it.
up.
We'll get rid of it. We'll get rid
Say
of
too
it.
much, Matt. You say too much. Oh wait, 6 feet. Oh, you're right.
You're absolutely right. I'm so sorry. I drive that black Mitsubishi Evo X over there. It is the MR version. It's currently full bolt-on, pushing about 330 to the wheels at the moment on a Cobb map, tuned by Drunkman Tuning at Drunkman Tuning. Thank you for the tune, very much appreciated. It does shoot flames here and there. When I don't want it to, so yeah, it just does its own thing. But there's a lot of work that needs to be done with this thing, so you're probably gonna see this a lot on the channel too, because you know, there's so much shit that the previous owner didn't do for the car, so I gotta fix it all. So
Yeah, so me, Matt, Danny, we're gonna be working on not just my 240, but Evo and the WRX. So, you know, I have no experience. Well, actually I own a SUV once, but it wasn't a turbo. So, you know, we got 2 turbo cars here and then my 240. So we're gonna, you know, do some
there's
wrenching.
a lot of content.
There's gonna be a lot. All right, so where should we start first?
We're gonna start over here on this table. Basically,
Should we just lay everything on the floor then?
and then we'll just correspond to whatever goes into what.
All right.
So, yeah.
Yeah, sounds good. All right, we're gonna get right in. Look at this. So much space. We organized the tool section. I think it looks a lot better, right?
It looks a lot better.
Yeah.
Than when we first started.
Yeah, so this is gonna be the space. Yeah, without like those tables, like
yeah.
you could definitely fit one car and we'll have like
Space
full
on the
space
sides.
on the side.
Until then.
Until then.
Hiddenpalmtree Garage banner coming soon.
Hiddenpalmtree Garage starts today. So yeah, but with that being said, I hope you guys loved this video and then this update. I can't thank enough for Matt and Danny. Hopefully we can do more cool things together, and hopefully you guys can subscribe my channel to not just to support me but support them and their build journey as well. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Follow my social media and their social media if you guys want them to follow me, but I'll link them on my video. And with that being said, I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace out.
We did it.